LJZ CNC Machining, precision and efficiency at scale. With over 300 state-of-the-art machines, we deliver high-precision parts with rapid prototyping and optimized mass production solutions. Our complete supply chain ensures cost savings and flexibility. From product development to large-scale manufacturing, partner with us for seamless global delivery and superior manufacturing performance. LJZ CNC Machining offers comprehensive solutions with precise 5-axis CNC milling for complex geometries. Multi-axis CNC turning ensures fast, accurate production of high-quality components. For intricate small parts, our more than 100 Swiss machines guarantees exceptional precision and reliable high-volume production. We also provide plastic injection molding, producing high-quality parts quickly and efficiently. Our gear manufacturing delivers custom gears with perfect fit and performance. LJZ CNC Machining delivers precision solutions across industries: automotive, medical, electronics, drones, and optics. Our advanced capabilities ensure high-quality components for every application. LJZ ensures superior quality through advanced inspection equipment, including precision CMM vision systems and measurement tools. We provide secure and efficient packaging solutions for safe delivery. Trust LJZ for precision and quality. Request a free quote now.